Oh, thanks, Lyn, for joining us. Your work in educational research has been extensive and significant, so it's wonderful that you've agreed to be available and share your knowledge at the AARE Theory Workshop. That'll be at the University of Sunshine Coast on October 1921. Can you give us a quick précis about what your keynote and workshop plans are?
Sure. And I have to say I'm very happy to be taking part in this workshop because I think that theory matters, but I think we also learn a lot from each other's experiences and problems. On the Friday night, in the keynote, I'm going to be talking a fair bit about my work on gender, both how I first tried to get ideas together for my doctorate and how to make that manageable, a fairly unlimited topic with a whole lot of different theories that you might take account of. For the workshop at the weekend, I want that to be very participatory and hear about people's different problems and experiences and talk about, I think, some of the common problems people have in relation to using theoretical insights. For instance, how do you avoid just repeating what the theorist has already said? You know, how do you get something new?
Yeah.
Or conversely, if you're trying to do qualitative interviews or observations, where do the theoretical insights come in at the beginning, or while you're doing the field work, or when you're doing the writing, or whatever? So I'm sure there'll be plenty to talk about, and I'm looking forward to it.
That's excellent, and I didn't introduce you formally as Professor Lyn Yates, but we'll certainly have that up on the website, and in the next week or so we'll have all the titles and abstracts. So we're really looking forward to interacting with you and appreciate the valuable time that you're affording to us all. So October 19 to 21, and there'll be more details on the AARE website, so we look forward to interacting.